Listen with ears of tolerance. See through the eyes of compassion. Speak with the language of love. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. The inspiration is seeking is already within you. Be silent and listen. A candle never loses any of its light while lighting up another candle. It's your road, and you are alone. Others may walk it for you, but no one can walk it for you. The art of knowing is knowing what to ignore. The quieter we become, the more we can hear. If you want money more than anything, you will be bought and sold in your whole life.